Meaning of doublespeak.
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 Doublespeak. Doublespeak refers to language that is deliberately ambiguous or misleading, often used to disguise or distort the truth. It is a form of communication characterized by the use of euphemisms, jargon, and convoluted phrasing to confuse or deceive the audience. Doublespeak can be used for political propaganda, corporate spin, or even in everyday conversation to manipulate or control the listener's perception of reality. By obscuring the true meaning of words or ideas, doublespeak can undermine critical thinking and social responsibility, ultimately leading to a breakdown of trust and accountability in society.